And 3, 2, 1. Well, guys, welcome to Teach Together Try, guys. Today we are going to be looking at ordering fractions with like denominators, and that is indeed our learning objective, to order fractions with like denominators. Our success shower, our success criteria will be that you, the student, places fractions in order. For example, you've got 2 eighths, then 3 eighths, then 4 eighths, then 5 eighths, then 6 eighths, then 7 eighths, and so on. And you don't jump around all over the place, but you can put them in order going up, ascending, or going down, descending. Okay, let's have a look at that. Here we are, guys, in the teach phase. We're going to look at ascending fractions, which means fractions that go up. They start low and they go up. And here we've got 1/10, we've got 2/10, we've got 3/10. And I've drawn some pies, some fraction pies down there so I can get a sense of what I'm talking about. There's 1/10, isn't it? There's 1/10 of the pizza. Let's call it pizza. There's 1/10 of the pizza. There's 2/10 of the pizza. I'm going to colour in the 2/10 of the pizza. And here's 3/10. I'm going to colour in 3/10. 1, 2, 3. And I want you to tell me what would come next. Well, rather, because this is the teach phase, I will show you. The next, going up, obviously, you've got 1/10, and you've got 2/10, and you've got 3/10. Well, it would be 4/10, wouldn't it? It just goes up. And then you've got 5/10, and after that, you've got 6/10. And that is, of course, ascending fractions. They're going up. You could also do it like this. You could go 1/10, you could have 3/10, you could have 9/10. They're still in ascending value, aren't they? They're still going up. It's just that you've missed out the fractions in between there and there, but it's still ascending value. We're still in the teach phase. We're going to look at descending fractions, guys, and these are fraction values that go down. They start up the top and they go down. So, for example, and I've drawn my fraction pizzas again just so you get a sense of what I'm talking about. Over here we've got 10/12. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, I've coloured in 10/12 of that pizza. You've got 9/12 over here, don't you? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9/12 of that pizza. Okay, I'm not going to draw the rest of the pizzas. I hope you can infer what they would look like. But these values are going down. So you've got 10/12, you've got 9/12, you've got 8/12, you've got 7/12. Well, I guess you'd then have 6/12. Then you'd have 5/12. Then you would have 4/12. These are descending fractions. You could also do it like this. You could go 10/12 to 5/12. to 3/12. They're still going down, aren't they, in value? They're still getting smaller and smaller as you go along. And please don't be tricked. These are still fractions. It's just that I'm not writing them like this. Perhaps I should be writing them like that. You might recognise them more slightly if I wrote them like that. However, they are exactly the same. They are still fractions. And you can see that they are descending. They are going down in value. Okay, guys, we're up to the together phase, so let's do some together. We're going to go in ascending value, means fractions going up. So we've got 2/5, we've got 1/5, 4/5, and 3/5. Okay, so let's start at the bottom and then go up. I want you to put them in order. I'll start you off with one. The lowest fraction here, the lowest fraction out of all of these fractions is this one. So because we're ascending, we're starting at the bottom and we're going up. Okay, so the lowest one is 1/5. You tell me, what's the next one? Let's go up. What's the next one out of all of these fractions here? What's the next highest value? I hope you nominated 2/5. We can cross them out once we've done them. Let's go up again. What's the next highest value? I hope you nominated 3/5. Cross it out. Up again, 4/5 is the next highest value. Wonderful. Let's have a go at these ones down the bottom here. You've got 9 tenths, 2 tenths, 10 tenths, and 7 tenths. Let's put them in order of ascending value. It means they're going to go up. Start at the bottom. Where's the lowest fraction here? Which one's the lowest value? Which is the smallest fraction? I hope you said 2 tenths. Here you go. I'll do the next one for you. 2 tenths, we've done that. The next one up is 7 tenths. All right, so what's the next one up? What's the next lowest value? Okay, I hope you've identified 9 tenths. And then, of course, up we go all the way to 10 tenths. In descending value, guys, we're going to do these together. Let's put these fractions in descending value. That means you start up the top, and it means you go down the mountain. D for down. Okay? So here you go. You've got 3/8, 7/8, 2/8, and 1/8, which is the highest fraction. Which one's the highest? Can you work it out? Right, well, it should have been 7/8. I hope that you did that. Let's cross that out. Which one is the next highest? So we're going down now. After 7/8, you've got, can you tell me? 3/8. Great. After 3/8, you've got, can you tell me? 2/8. After 2/8, you've got, can you tell me? 1/8. All right, let's do B, thank you. Starting up the top. So what is the highest fraction here? You've got 1 tenth, 5 tenths, 4 tenths, and 7 tenths. You tell me which is the highest fraction. The highest fraction is, I hope you've worked it out, 7 tenths. Well, we've got to go down now. We've got to go down. So what's the next one? What do you think, sir? Go down. Definitely not 4. It is 5 tenths. So we'll go to 5 tenths. What's the next one? What do you think, member of the audience? 4 tenths. That's great, guys. And let's go down to the last one, which is 1 tenth. Great, guys. Off you go. Go to music. That's fantastic. Okay. So you can see that we started off high, and then we've gone down lower. We put them in order. We've sequenced them in descending value. Right, this should all be in your book because I'm going to want to see it. Thanks very much. You're doing this all by yourself. We're in the try phase. You are doing this all by yourself, and you're doing it in your book, obviously, like you did the together phase as well. Order by ascending, right, which means going up. Off you go. Pause me and do it. Thank you. Okay, I hope you paused me, and I hope you've done them both. If you haven't done them both, then do them now. But you should have started off down the bottom because you're going up. Ascending means you're going up the mountain. So 1/5 to 3/5 to 4/5 and then to 5/5. Down here you should have started off at the bottom, which would have been 4 tenths. There's your lowest fraction. Cross that off to 5 tenths. Cross that off. Then to 10 tenths. Okay, I'm going to want to see this in your book. You're going to have to come and show it to me. We're up to the next bit. Order by descending. This is the try phase as well. You have a go at this yourself. Thank you. Pause me and have a go. Remember, it's descending, so it's going down. Okay, I'm back. I hope you paused me. You should have gone 5/5, then 4/5, then 2/5, and then 1/5. And then for the bottom, I hope you've done this because it's time to do it. So pause me if you haven't done it, but if you have done it, great. Let's mark it. Okay, we're marking. The highest figure here is 5 tenths. Then it goes down to 4 tenths. Then it goes to 3 tenths. And then it goes to 1 tenth. Okay, guys, this has been Teach Together Try with Mr. Burns. I sure hope you've learned something. And if you are in my class, I want to see your work. So bring it to me and show me. Thank you.